Today we're diving into Paymo, an all-in-one project management tool designed to streamline your workflow. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or part of a larger team, Paymo offers a comprehensive solution to manage tasks, track time, and collaborate efficiently. Throughout this video, we'll explore Paymo's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a look at Paymo's key features. Task management. Easily create, assign, and prioritize tasks with customizable labels and deadlines. Time tracking. Accurately log billable hours with integrated timers and detailed time sheets. Invoicing. Create professional invoices directly from tracked time entries, simplifying your billing process. Team collaboration. Collaborate seamlessly with team members through file sharing, comments, and real-time updates. Resource scheduling. Efficiently allocate resources and track project timelines with visual Gantt charts. Reporting. Gain valuable insights into project progress and team performance with customizable reports. Paymo offers flexible pricing plans to suit various needs. The basic plan starts at $11.95 per month, offering essential features for freelancers and small teams. The business plan, priced at $18.95 per month, unlocks advanced project management and invoicing capabilities. And for the largest organizations, the enterprise plan provides custom pricing with tailored solutions. Paymo provides an intuitive user interface with straightforward navigation and robust functionality. Users praise its ease of use and customizable workflows, allowing for seamless integration into existing processes. Paymo offers a comprehensive project management solution with robust features such as task management, time tracking, invoicing, team collaboration, resource scheduling, and reporting. Its flexible pricing plans cater to various business sizes and budgets, starting from $11.95 per user per month for the basic plan. Users praise Paymo for its intuitive interface and customizable workflows, although some may experience a learning curve initially. While Paymo excels in many areas, alternatives like Trello, Asana, and Monday.com offer similar project management solutions with varying features and pricing structures. Businesses should explore these options to find the best fit for their specific needs. In conclusion, Paymo emerges as a powerful tool for optimizing project management and enhancing team collaboration. With its robust feature set, intuitive interface, and flexible pricing, Paymo empowers businesses of all sizes to maximize productivity and achieve their goals. Ready to streamline your workflow? Sign up for Paymo today and revolutionize your project managing experience. Thank you for watching Easy Internet. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to boost your online productivity. See you in the next video.